Kenmore washing machine troubleshooting, expert tips and solutions. Kenmore washing machine troubleshooting involves checking power connections, water supply, and error codes. Regular maintenance can prevent common issues. Kenmore washing machines are known for reliability, but occasional problems can occur. Users often face issues like the machine not starting, water not filling, or strange noises. Identifying and resolving these problems quickly ensures your washing machine operates efficiently. Common troubleshooting steps include checking the power cord, ensuring the water supply valves are open, and examining error codes displayed on the machine. Simple maintenance tasks like cleaning the filter and balancing the load can also prevent issues. By addressing these factors, you can keep your Kenmore washing machine running smoothly and extend its lifespan. Kenmore washing machine common issues. Kenmore washing machines are reliable, but like any appliance, they can have problems. This section discusses common issues. It helps you understand what's wrong and how to fix it. 1. Leaks. 2. Noisy operation. 3. Won't start. Kenmore washing machine error codes. Kenmore washing machines come with smart technology. They can show error codes for different issues. Understanding these error codes can help fix the machine faster. This section will guide you through code interpretation and common fixes. 1. Code interpretation. 2. Common fixes. Kenmore washing machine maintenance tips. Maintaining your Kenmore washing machine extends its life and improves performance. Follow these maintenance tips to keep your machine running smoothly. 1. Regular cleaning. 2. Filter replacement. Kenmore washing machine DIY repairs. Dealing with a malfunctioning Kenmore washing machine can be frustrating. DIY repairs can save time and money. Here's how to troubleshoot and fix common issues at home. 1. Tools needed. 2. Step-by-step guide. Kenmore washing machine. When to call a professional. Sometimes Kenmore washing machines need expert care. Knowing when to call a professional can save time and money. Here we discuss the signs that indicate expert help is needed. 1. Signs you need help. 2. Choosing a technician. Kenmore washing machine cost considerations. Understanding the cost implications of fixing your Kenmore washing machine is crucial. It helps you make informed decisions. Here's a detailed guide on the costs involved in repairs and replacements. 1. Repair costs. 2. Replacement versus repair. Kenmore washing machine energy efficiency. Ensuring your Kenmore washing machine operates efficiently can save you money. It also helps the environment. Focusing on energy efficiency is key. Here's how you can achieve it. 1. Saving tips. 2. Energy efficient models. Kenmore washing machine user reviews. Kenmore washing machines have a mixed bag of reviews. Some users share their complaints while others praise the product. Let's dive into both sides to give you a balanced view. 1. Common complaints. 2. Positive feedback. Frequently asked questions about Kenmore washing machine. How to reset Kenmore washing machine. Unplug the machine for 5 minutes, then plug it back in. Why is my Kenmore washer not spinning? Check for an unbalanced load or clogged drain hose. What does F21 error on Kenmore washer mean? F21 indicates a long drain time issue. How to fix Kenmore washer not draining. Clean the drain pump filter and check the hose. Why is my Kenmore washer leaking water? Inspect door seal, hoses, and detergent drawer for leaks. Conclusion about Kenmore washing machine. Solving Kenmore washing machine issues can save time and money. Regular maintenance helps prevent common problems. Always consult your manual for specific troubleshooting steps. Don't hesitate to seek professional help if needed. Keep your Kenmore washer running smoothly for years with these simple tips.
If you want to know more details, then you can visit hellotroubleshooting.com. Repeat after me. Hope this video will be useful and you will like it. Please subscribe this channel to get new videos. Your love is always desirable for us. Finally, don't forget to like, share, comment on this video.